Hello and welcome to the Marketing Services module. My name is Mario Vafeas and I'm the module leader, and I want to take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about the module, the content and the structure. But before doing that, let me answer the question, why study services marketing? Service industries now account for about 80% of the UK's GDP. We are a services-oriented nation. And as economies develop around the world, the proportion of GDP that's accounted for by services is increasing all the time. Just to give you an example, in China and Malaysia, 50% of the GDP is contributed by service industries. So it's a very important aspect of the economies around the world, and as you would expect, as a result of this, many of the jobs that are available for students such as yourselves will be in service industries. But returning closer to home, let me give you some idea of the content and the structure of the module. As far as the content is concerned, we begin by looking at the characteristics of services and what makes them different from physical, tangible goods. We'll look at the service encounter, where customers come into contact and interact with the service provider, and we'll look at service delivery. We'll also spend a couple of sessions looking at service quality and satisfaction, and also service failure and recovery. And then the other topics that we will cover are capacity and demand management, the management of people, and physical evidence. Very important aspect of services marketing. As far as the structure of the module is concerned, it's a 12-week module, as you would expect. There's a 1-hour lecture every week in which we cover the basic theory and concepts. There's a 1-hour lecture in context where we apply those theories and concepts to the real world. And then there's a 1-hour tutorial which gives you the opportunity to apply your knowledge to a particular scenario, often based around a case study. As far as assessment is concerned, there are two pieces of assessment. One is an individual assignment based on a case study, and the other is an exam at the end of the module. And each of those will contribute 50% to the overall grade. As you would expect, there is some preparation to do each week and some reading to do. The details of all of that are in the module handbook, which I'll hand out at the beginning of the module. You can also find a copy of that module handbook on Blackboard's site. And as you'd expect, you will get much more out of the module if you do prepare for sessions and also participate in class. And I'm convinced that this will also help you achieve a higher grade at the end. Please do use the Blackboard site, because you will find everything on there that you need. So that's briefs for tutorials, journal articles, and PowerPoint slides as well. If you have any questions at any time, you can direct them in the first instance to your tutor, but I'm always available and willing to help if you want to speak to me. Finally, I hope you find the module stimulating, and I look forward to working with you.